Now it's not like dancing or singing or any LXIT video. It's about something different. It is about the projects which I have made using the kit which I have received with Magic Crate. Now I have paid and got the kit. So if you want also this kit, I will give you the Magic Crate website link in the description down below. So please go check it and do buy it. Okay, so starting. So I have a project made over here, hydraulic weight lifter. So what is in here scientifically? So here I have a syringe. I have another syringe over here, and I have the syringe connected with these sticks which is having this plank. Now what does this do? This can anything which is very which is very heavy, so it can carry using the hydraulic pressure or the water pressure. Now there's no electricity used over here. It's just the water and the hydraulic pressure which is pushing up the plank, and it can carry multiple weights. So let's get started. So where is this used? It is mainly used in construction sites. So for example, think that this is a building and some workers or many materials wants to go up over here. So what will they do? They will come over here, and when the like in the real life example, they use electricity and then machines and then they go up. But over here we are using just the water or the hydraulic pressure. So if I push it, you can see that it has come, and the workers or the materials can go over here. Okay, so now I have showed you how does this work. Let me show you again. So I have water over here, and when I push it from here, the water pressure goes to this syringe, and when the water comes over here, the stick moves and it is connected. So the sticks are connected to the syringe, this part. So when it goes behind, with that, this also comes up and it carries weight, as I told you. So now I will show you with different weights it can carry. So for example, here this. Now let's see if this can carry. You see the water pressure, it has been carried. Now let us do it back. Okay, so next I'll show you with multiple weights. So when I push it behind, so you can see it has carried this weight also. So there's no appropriate weight which it can carry, but we will check with different examples. So this is of another weight. So let's do it. It has carried this also. Now I have these two charger sockets. So let's see if this can it has carried this also. Good. Okay, now let's try an example where it can't carry, like for example this headset. So when I place it over this plank, when I push it, you see it has not gone up. What does it do? That it is heavy, which this can't lift. So this comes out, telling that this should go out because it's heavy that it can't carry. So we need to assort it back. Okay. So this was all for this project. I hope you liked this project and you would check out the link in the description, and please do buy it. It's a lot amazing. There are more projects even in Magic Crate. We can buy of many other topics. This is about hydraulic pressure. There is more about space, and it's lot fun and it's too creative. Like sometimes when we think of doing something good which is like creative for us also, this is a very good example for that. I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Bye.